English to Karbi translation. I learn English by myself. I learn English by myself. Ne methang si English alam kacarli. Ne methang si English alam kacarli. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. Ne thanga son tanang ne. Ne thanga son tanang ne. These tomatoes are rotten. These tomatoes are rotten. Lahai abok boke thulablo. Lahai abok boke thulablo. The bread is stale. The bread is stale. Him ke nem oi haklo. Him ke nem oi haklo. Spend my day. Spend my day. Ne arni kapiton. Ne arni kapiton. The sun rise at 5 a.m. The sun rise at 5 a.m. Arni nangkechon ke por 5 pho. Arni nangkechon ke por 5 pho. Samson Singh Inti was born in 1976. Samson Singh Inti was born in 1976. Samson Singh Inti amehang ke theke krisir kebra troxi kebra trok aningkan. Samson Singh Inti amehang ke theke krisir kebra troxi kebra trok aningkan. It is a long story. It is a long story. Lakiarji dingklui atomo. Mate lakiarji dingklui atomo lo. Where are your earring? Where are your earring? Nangno jangsai konat lo. Nangno jangsai konat lo. What do we call this word? What do we call this word? Itum la solam thea phan kopilo kipu. Itum la solam thea phan kopilo kipu. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Nenang phan sinang kang hong lo. Nenang phan sinang kang hong lo. There are many confusing words in English. There are many confusing words in English. English alam along ke manghu me alam thedupik. English alam along ke manghu me alam thedupik. Would you dare do that again? Would you dare do that again? Nang monon pila son choklem thu hai alangma. Nang monon pila son choklem thu hai alangma. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. Nenang phanang ka ryuji do. Nenang phanang ka ryuji do. I have no one around me. I have no one around me. Nedung nerai badu ta awe. Nedung nerai badu ta awe. I see. I see. Labangso senten ke ne theklong pukalilo. Ne chini mate chini lo pufansi pudamlo. So don't confuse in Karbi pronunciation and sentence. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe now and press the bell icon.